Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out this Soft 99 Megami headlight restorer, which I received from automotiowebshop.hu. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. In the box there is a kind of like a polishing or cleaning compound. There is like a coating for the headlight, 2 applicator blocks, another 2 but harsher applicator blocks, 2 towels and 1 glove, this cheap plasticky glove, but only one of those to one hand. And according to the instructions, I'm supposed to use the cleaning compound with the applicator block that normally is used for like coatings, and I'm supposed to apply the coating with a block that is normally used to the cleaners because it's a bit harsher. For me, that doesn't make any sense. It's exactly the other way around how common sense would dictate. So I will use the harsher with the cleaning compound, and I will use the applicator block to apply the coating. Also, according to the instructions, I'm supposed to wet those towels that are included in the box, and that's how I should wipe off the compound. But in the video, I'm going to use it dry just to be able to show you how much dirt accumulates on the towel from the headlight. I've done it already, so actually you see the end result because of the sun was coming up, whatever, it doesn't matter. There will be a 50-50 also in the video, and you will see the process how I did it, but it's slightly different compared to the instructions. Let's roll.
Every time I close my eyes, wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. Mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. Mine, yeah, mine, mine, yeah, mine, yeah, mine, yeah. I just wanna make you mine, yeah, mine, mine, yeah. I just wanna make you. 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 Mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. Mine, yeah, mine, mine, yeah. Mine, yeah, mine, mine, yeah. I just wanna make you mine, yeah, mine, mine, yeah. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. Make you mine. Mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine. Mine, mine, mine. I just wanna make you.
Alrighty, boys and girls, so as I said, I used this applicator to clean because it has like a bit harsher layer on the top, and yeah, for me it made more sense to clean with this one compared to the ceramic coating applicator block. And as you can see, it's yellow like crazy from the dirty and dead clear coat from the headlight. I promise you to show also the towel how it looked like, so that's why I used it dry instead of wet to be able to show. As you see, it's dirty like crazy, and even I polished it just in case with the very same compound. And as you can see, the pad is also full of the dead clear coat. It's a bit yellowish brownish. It's supposed to be like dark gray / almost black. So other than that, it did work to a certain level, as you can see on the 50/50. However, obviously it's not for the headlights that are gone this far. So, you know, this one should have been restored ages ago. Obviously it can be restored by wet sanding, dry sanding in reverse order, then polishing in multiple steps, and then it can be brought back to like new condition, but not with these sort of products. So this one is okay if your headlight is not gone this far, it just barely starts to be yellowing, then it's okay, it would work. But if it is this far gone, it won't, so keep in mind. So would I recommend or not? Yes, if your headlight is not dead like for the past 20 years. Other than that, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.